Big up on yourself, guys, and welcome back to my channel. That is the Caribbean's best dance tutorial channel. That is right, we're number one. I'm your girl Choreo, your sensual dancehall instructor for today. And what I want you to do in this class is focus on the breathing. Allow the breathing to synchronize with your movement and just let it take you on a ride, baby. So here we go. And we're gonna breathe in. Inhale all positivity. Exhale all negativity. On the beat, breathing in, breathe in. Exhale. Add the arms, breathe in. And breathe it out. Go again, breathe in. Exhale. Now we're going to move the hips from side to side. No excessive movement of the feet. We're just pushing the hips from side to side. If you feel a little bit of a stretch and you feel like you want to hold that stretch a little bit longer, go ahead and do it. Girl, we're doing every single whine you can think of. We're doing the needle eye whine, the snake back whine, even the reverse whine. Stay tuned. 20 minutes of just bare hotness. This is the bedroom bully workout. Push your hips from side to side. Or one, you know, push the body back. Push it back and forward. Push your body back. Bring it forward. That's what we call it in Jamaica. The body, your bottom, your push it back. So you're going to push it out there, leave it out there, get a nice stretch in the hips and in the back to the hamstrings. If this is too much for you, relax the knees a little bit. Just push back here, move the hips from side to side, and again, lift it up. 3, 6, 1. I'm going to turn my back. You don't have to turn with me, but I just want you to see a little bit more of the movement. So all I'm doing, I push back, I lift the booty up versus down, and we're pushing from side to side. Relax the shoulders, relax the jaw, relax the cheeks, the lips, the eyes. Woo! Just imagine, girl, side to side. We're about to start something serious up in here. It's a bedroom bully workout with your girl, Choreo. 7. Bring it back down again. Push it side to side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just bring it around and wind it. I'm going to turn to the front and do this one again. But let's just enjoy it in this position, yeah? Push it back. 3, push it back. Now, if any of these moves are too difficult, you can't catch the whine, I'm going to drop some links right here. So this is really just a workout. It's not about trying to get too detailed or perfect. Just really enjoying the move. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, one more, 4. I'm going to turn to the side. We're doing the same thing. This time we're going to add the hands. So we're going to go here. Bring it in. 2. Pull it in. Push it back. Pull it in. I tell you now, you guys, you better be ready for this one. Push it back. Bedroom bully style. Turn it all the way. Oh, you mean, woman, love you so. Oh, you ask the man them things there. And leave it here. 2, 3. 2022 is going to be the sexiest year of your life. Speak it into being. Up. Down. Up. Here. Side. Up. Make a circle. Side. Make a circle. And if you're unable to go all the way down, just go to where it's easy for you. So right here is good enough. And if you can only do it right here, go ahead and do it right there. Let me turn to the front so you know exactly what we're doing. side, and up. That's all I'm doing. Exaggeration, just bringing the torso up and down. And I'm going to keep it all the way down here. Here we go. I can drop the head, just relax in that position. Arching like a cat, pull it up. 7 and 8. All the way. 1, 2. Come again, push it. 3, 4, 5, 6. Push it back, baby. 7 and 8. Alright, from here, hip side to side. I want you to put the heel of your palms right at the hip bone area. And I want you to guide those hips. Deep breathing. Come on, let's go. Slow it down. Slow. Slow. Drop that chin. Look at me under your eyelids. I don't want to see this. I want to see this. Woo. Where's that breath? You should be breathing. Woo. Extend the reach of those hands. 3, 4. That's woman power, girl. 7. Open the hips. Allow the knees to fall out to the side. You're getting a little bit more of a groin stretch in this here, but try to enjoy it. Breathe. Tell your body it's okay. We're getting ready for this bullying stuff. Shoulder back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip it, dip it, up. Dip it, bring it up. Dip it, up. Cool and deadly. Look, and again, 1. You're vibing with your girl, Choreo, the biggest, baddest dance instructor straight out of the Caribbean. Talk to me nice or don't talk at all. Here we go. Here, breathe out. Up. Can you feel that breath? Breathe out. Part the lips, breathe out. That's it. What you shy about? Come on, let's go. Bring the hands up. Right by the side. Don't cover the ears because you want to hear my voice, you want to hear the music. Enjoy it right here. Enjoy this time. Enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it. Pull it up. Enjoy it. Pull it up. Here. That's it. Oh my God, you make me want to cry. Here we go. 1. And again, go here. Here, that's it. That's a part of the exercise. You better bite that finger, girl. And now we're just gonna wind it around. Bring the hips in. Close those legs. We're going to be winding down low, yeah? Winding down low is what we're doing now. And of course, if you can't go all the way down, hold on to a prop, a wall, whatever you need to. Alright? Focus on the breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Fingertips on the legs and down. 2. When we get all the way down, we're going to open the legs like this. Bring them in like this. Bring in. When I come back up, I'll show you a modification. Bring it in. Out. Bring it in. Let's wind it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you go all the way down, if you can't go all the way down, stay midway. Modify to suit yourself. Check out my whining 101 tutorials for some defined versions of how you can get this whining. So let's go again. 1. Close, open, close, open. Drop the hands behind the booty. Open. Give me 2 more just like that. There should be no pain. Remember, you can hold on to something and bring it up. 1, 2, control it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're going to do that 2 more times. Shake out the legs. I don't want you to feel tired now. At your own pace. In 5, I'm going to turn my back and do the same thing. 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do it again. Shake those legs out. No weakness. Are you ready again? 5, 6. Are we still recording? Yes, we are. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at me. Breathe through the mouth. 7, 8. Open. Stick the booty back. Close. 2. Pull the belly button in. That's it. Squeeze it. 4. Give me 1 more. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, check it out. We're gonna go into our first named dance move. This one is called the needle eye wine. If you don't know how to do this, check the links below. Jamaican dance moves for women. Here we go. Side, side, side. We're gonna do this for about a minute before we move to the other movement, yeah? So we're just moving from side to side, keeping that chest open. Get that cleavage showing, girl. Why are you hiding it like this? Open it up. Girl, breathe through the mouth. Push. Detour, push the hips. 2, 3, 4. If you don't know how to do this, I'm not breaking it down anymore. Check the link right up here or in the bio down below. Down. Don't that feel good? We're waving, girl. Waves. Hips. Hips. Open those legs. Stretch. How about we add 2 hands to the head? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push the hips in a circle. Push it back. 2, 3. But the chest is still up. I'm still seeing the cleavage here, yeah? We're going to do another set of this. I'm facing to the back. When I... Here. Here. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing those hips. Nice and easy. Bring the hands over the head because why not? Breathe. And if the backs of the legs, the calves are starting to feel a little bit tired, a little fatigued, relax them. Push the hips, push the hips back. Here, focusing on our breath out. There we go. And if you really want to push back, you want to put back on those walls, push it back on the wall, yeah? Put the hands on the wall and push away from the wall. Make sure the legs are not sliding though, yeah? Take it down. Bring it up. Nice and easy, gently. We're moving up out of this movement. 5, 6, 7. Turn to me. Pretty girls are not so good in most cases, are we? Really? Pick up on yourselves, guys. Snake back. Here. Here. Down, bring it up. Sink the back. So you want to feel the booty punching backwards, yeah? Here, up, here, up. And again, let's just do here. Up, here, up. And now we get into 1. Dapper dog. Down. Bring it up. 3. Snake back, baby. I'm going to turn to the opposite side. And we're starting again. All right, shake it out. Shake it out. Woo. Breathe. Relax that back. Shake it out. Shake it. Shake that lower back. Relax it. Just drop all the way down. Relax all the tension in the lower back. Bring the arms up. Bring it down. Slow down the shimmy. Silence. Calm. Breathe 1. Just drop the arms gently, sexy over the head. Let's get back the control over the body. Breathe. Suddenly, give me all of you. Breath, babies. All that's just hips, yeah? Just like we did in the beginning. Hips. Side to side with those hips. Turn to me. Let's do this again. Side. 2, 3, 4. And if you're sweaty, pull that sweat all over your body. Make it sexy AF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what we're going to be doing, we're winding, moving to one direction and then the other. So here we go. 5, 6, 7 to this side first. 1. I don't like something now go hard. 5, 6. Other way. So me and you a touch. In 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2. And yes, I am switching position. And if you are unable to switch directions with your wine, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Is my zipper down? I'm getting too sexy. All I'm saying. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up. 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. 8. Look at me. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, the time you've all been waiting for. We're going to go into a reverse wind. So all I want you to do now is get down. You're adequately wet, sexy. We're going to get into our reverse wind. Open the legs as much as you can. If that's out here for you, if that's up here for you, you have to listen to your body. All right? So here we go. 6, 7. So here's what we're going to do. Side, back, side, forward. Again. Side, back, side, forward. 2 more. Side, back, side, forward. Again. Side, back, side, forward. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And side, back, side, forward. Side, back, side, forward. Side, back, side, forward. Wind it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. From here, I want us to shake out those legs. We're going to do it one more time on the reverse wind. But you know, it is hard on the knees. And sure, whatever you do, you are cushioning those knees. I got a fantastic breakdown tutorial for the reverse wind. If you've never joined me in reverse wind, check out that tutorial. Shake out the legs. I am sweating everywhere. So we're gonna go again. We're sweating out all toxins. It's 2022, the sexiest year of our lives. Let's talk it into being. Are you ready? I'm not, but I feel sexy AF when I do the reverse wind, so let's get into it, yeah? Here we go, African goddesses. And if you're not African, sweetheart, you're a goddess. Here we go. 7, 5, position now. 6, 7, 8, and side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward. Again, push the bumper back, then to the back, side, forward. Again, side, push it back, side, forward. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, push it back, 2, forward, 3, push it back, 4, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Shake it out. Shake it out. And if you're feeling like me, you are tired, those hips are nice and open, and we're just going to do some stretches to end this class. Shake out, push back against those hamstrings. Loosen the backs of those knees after that intense reverse wind. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. From here, what I want you to do, open the legs as wide as you can without slipping and falling to the floor. Hold on to the backs of the legs if you can. If all you can do is right here and push forward, that's fine. What I want your intention to be is opening your flower back there, pushing back against your hamstrings. Make it happy, hey. All I'm saying, push back, relax in this position. Flick the head back up. Never losing contact with the skin. Focusing on that intense breath out. Eyes up under the lid. And drop the head. Focus on the breath out. Open yourself. Open yourself to abundance. Not just financially, physically, but sexually as well. One more time. Make your hair. And bring it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring it down. 1. Last time down. From here, I just want you to pull the legs together. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe, breathe, breathe. From here, I just want you to strike a very sexy pose. From here, we're going to do our deep breath in. Release it. Get back to stillness. Breathe in. Meditative stillness, silence. And breathe out. Opposite side, breathe in. Whatever pose you had, just go to the opposite of that pose, yeah? So if you had your right leg forward, your left leg to the side, just do the opposite of that. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Big up yourselves. I do hope you enjoyed this class as much as I enjoyed it. I think I enjoyed it a little bit too much. Well, big up yourselves. Remember, take your time, modify all classes. I'll drop links to the detailed versions of every single move I did here today right below. Big up. Remember, follow me on Instagram at Chris_Choreo. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join my family and just enjoy what I have to offer. I also take requests, so you can either email me at the emails below or just drop a comment below or send me on Instagram. I love to meet my people. Big up yourselves. I'll see you next week. Mwah.